Hey guys, it's Gavin from GFP Machines. Great to have you in our factory again. We want to run through some moulders this afternoon. We've got some fantastic machines available for you, starting from under 300,000 Rand, from 270, 280,000 Rand, ranging up to 600,000 Rand, depending on what you're needing. So take a walk with me, Leroy. Let's have a look at these machines. Old school is cool. This is an older Weinig 6-head machine. It's a really nice machine. We've rebuilt it top to bottom like we always do. New rollers throughout, replaced all the bearings. We've changed the complete electronics on this machine, so there's new wiring throughout, new contactors. It's a really fantastic machine. This machine is great if you're looking for a machine that's simple to operate and you want it to just run day in, day out. Nothing can go wrong with this machine. We have here as a Weinig 6-head moulder. It's a 230 wide bed, nice spec machine. We've rebuilt this machine from bottom to top. It's a fantastic machine. If you're looking for a 6-head machine, this is a machine you're looking for. Let's have a look this side, Leroy. We've got another 6-head moulder here as well. Another Weinig that's also in stock, rebuilt totally as well. We've got a beautiful SCM compact. It's a 230 wide bed, 4-head machine, very nice machine, well spec machine, Italian machine, which is very nice. We walk this way, Leroy. Over here we have an RWM 6-head moulder. This machine is really priced nicely. The nice thing about this machine is we got spares for this machine. So we carry the range of spares for this machine in stock. It's a 156 wide and it's got 6 heads throughout the bed. Very nice machine, very nice brand from China. It's out of the V-Hold factory. Got this Weinig Profimat 23E moulder in. This machine is a fantastic machine. I think it's got 1,755 hours on the clock. So this machine is a fantastic machine. It's a very nice brand. This machine's hardly worked. It's going to go. So if you're wanting a moulder, if you're needing a 5-head moulder like this Profimat 23E, this machine is for you. Put your name on it quickly. It's not going to stay long. Leroy, take a walk with me. I want to go down to the workshop. We've got a fantastic 8-head moulder that's just come into the workshop. We're stripping it down. We're rebuilding that whole machine. And we're finishing off a Weinig Unimat Gold as well at the same time. So take a walk with me. I want to show you the process. I'm sure you all know we take this seriously. We want you to have the best machine possible. But come have a look. This is the 8-head moulder. These are all the parts. These are the motors that we've stripped off. We replaced all the bearings. We replaced all the seals. We replaced all the pneumatic piping. All the electricals get replaced as well. Come have a look to make sure you believe us. When I say we take this machine down to bare bones, that's what we do. Every single shaft is out the machine. Every single motor's off the machine. Every single hold down roller is off the machine. This machine is getting rebuilt top to toe. This is a really strong machine. It's a simple machine. It's an 8-head machine, not very common. If you're needing it, give us a shout. So last machine is the Weinig Unimat Gold machine. It's a 6-head machine. We've rebuilt this machine as well. We're getting to the end stages of rebuilding this machine. It's a really nice spec machine. As you can see, the in-feed bed is off still. We're having that professionally ground, and we're having a new plate built on the in-feed because the plate that was on the machine wasn't up to standard. So that's coming next week. This machine will be going onto the showroom floor. Really nice machine, really nice brand, and you can see it looks fantastic.